These are the different functions of a BA. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Then next comes to types of IT companies. Okay. Basically, there are two types of companies. One is product based IT company, and second one is service based or application based IT company. Okay. So suppose after taking this training, if you are appointed in a company, so you may be working for any of this category. It could be a product based, or it could be a service based or application based. Okay. Now I will explain you the difference between product based and service based or application based companies. So product based companies examples are Microsoft, Oracle, IBM, SAP. Okay. First, let me go through these points. After that, I will take an example and I will explain all these points. So the main features of product based IT companies are company's concept and they invest time and money to build the product. And second one is company initiates the development. And third one is company will be the owner of the product and company will sell this same product to multiple clients and customers. And customization will be done if required for each customer, and installation will be done at the client's place. So these are the features of product based company. Now I will explain with an example what is product based company. Now I will take one application. The application name is Finacle. So Finacle is developed by Microsoft. Okay, that application is developed by Microsoft. So Finacle is a software which will be used by all the banks and all the financial institutions, not only in India, in other countries also. So it contains a bunch of features which are essential for all financial services. Okay, so this is developed by Microsoft. Okay, so now the first feature is company's concept and they invest time and money to build the product. Okay, so the concept to develop the Finacle belongs to Microsoft, and Microsoft has invested time and money to build this product. Okay, and company initiates the development. It means the Microsoft is going to decide when to start the development, and company will be the owner of the product, and the owner of the Finacle is Microsoft only. Now company will sell the same product to multiple clients and customers. Now once the Microsoft developed this Finacle, what it has done is it has done marketing for the Finacle. Okay, so it has done marketing for the Finacle, and assume that first ICICI Bank is coming to the Microsoft. Okay, they requested for a demo for Finacle. Now Microsoft has arranged a demo. Now ICICI Bank liked the demo and they said that I want to use your Finacle software only for accounts management. That means whatever the accounts I am operating, that means savings account, fixed deposit account, current account. So whatever the transactions I am going to do in these accounts, that should be routed through Finacle. Now what Microsoft will do is it is going to customize the Finacle software according to the requirements of the ICICI Bank. Okay, so it will enable only those features which are required to ICICI Bank and disable all other features, and it is going to install at the ICICI Bank server. Now assume that the second HDFC Bank is coming and it is requesting demo for Microsoft, and it has Microsoft has arranged a demo to the HDFC Bank. Now HDFC Bank got impressed with this demo and they are asking Microsoft that they want to use this Finacle software only for LMS, that is loan management system. That means whatever the loans that are issued from HDFC Bank, whether it could be a vehicle loan, two-wheeler loan or four-wheeler loan, whether it could be a personal loan or business loan, or whether it could be a salaried loan. So all these loans should be routed through Finacle. Now Microsoft is going to customize Finacle software according to the requirements of HDFC Bank, and it is going to install at the HDFC Bank server. Now let us say third client, that is the Standard Chartered Bank, is coming to Microsoft and requesting for demo. Now Microsoft has given demo of Finacle to the Standard Chartered Bank and they were impressed very well. Now Standard Chartered Bank is saying that I want to use your complete Finacle software. That means whatever the transactions I am doing, whether it could be account management system, or whether it could be loan management system, or whether it could be mutual funds, or whether it could be some other shares or everything. So I want to do all these things only through Finacle only. Then Microsoft is going to customize the Finacle software according to the requirements of Standard Chartered Bank, and it is going to install that product at the client's place. Okay. Now this is how the Microsoft is going to do business. Now Microsoft is having three clients, that is ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank and Standard Chartered Bank. Now all these three banks have to take technical support from the Microsoft. Okay, so they will get into a contract with the Microsoft for lifelong. That means till the day, till whatever the time, that is they are using this Finacle, they are going to take the support only with Microsoft. Then the Microsoft is going to provide technical support to all these three banks. Okay, whenever if there is any technical problem, or whenever if they want to enhance some features, or whenever if they want to increase some features, so Microsoft is going to provide those technical support by taking some money. So in this way, the product based companies are going to do business in the IT industry. Is it okay related to product based company,
Yes. Yeah.
or do you have any doubts?
No, not as of now.
No.
Okay, now I said installation. So what is installation? So installation is nothing but, for example, now if you want to install a antivirus CD in your laptop, so what you are going to do, so you will go to the computer shop and you will purchase a antivirus CD. Let us assume that you have purchased a McAfee antivirus CD, and you will come to home and you will install that antivirus CD by inserting that CD in your laptop. Okay, so if you are purchasing antivirus CD, it does not mean that you are the owner of McAfee. So you are taking only the services of McAfee. So in the same way, here installation does not mean that ICICI Bank will become the owner of Finacle. So the ownership rights will remain with Microsoft only, but ICICI Bank is going to take the services from the Finacle. Okay. Now next one is application based IT companies. Now what is application based IT company in the sense, for example, okay, now let us assume that you are running a supermarket in US. Okay, you have opened a supermarket and you want to do a supermarket business. So how the business, how the process is going is like the customers are walking into your supermarket, they are picking the products and they are coming to the billing section, and you are sitting at the billing counter and you are taking the cash. So just the customer is showing you the products and you are seeing the rate on the products and you are doing a calculator, you are taking a calculator and you are doing the total of the products and you are taking the bill. So as days are passing, your supermarket is running very well. The count of the customers coming to your supermarket has been increasing. Now it is becoming very difficult for you to manage the billing system manually. Now you got a thought, in your mind that my supermarket should have an application, so automatic billing should be done in my supermarket. So you will think that okay, I should have a application So that application should work like I will have a handy scanner, and if I put the handy scanner to the product, it has to capture the barcode, and with the help of this barcode, it has to take the price of the product. And when I click enter on my computer, it has to total all the products, and it should show how much change I have to give. Okay. Apart from that, I want to have daily sales report and daily inventory report. So in this way, you will frame an idea in your mind. So once you frame idea in your mind, then you will search for a IT company. Okay. So you will ask your friends, or you will see in newspapers, or if you have any email IDs of the IT companies, you will put a mail ID saying that I want to have a application, and this is my business, and these are the features that should be there in my application. Then the IT companies are going to respond to your mail or to your uh, proposal. So those IT companies are nothing but application or service based IT companies. Okay. For example, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, and Satyam. Okay. Now, what happens in the application or service based IT companies is client's concept and will engage IT company to develop an IT application. So, client concept in the sense the concept belongs to you. That means automatic building system concept is developed from your mind, and you are going to engage a IT company to develop that IT application. Okay. Then client initiates the development. Now you are going to say to the IT company when to start the development. So the IT company can't take its own decision to develop it. You are going to initiate when to develop, and client will be the owner of the product. Now you will be the owner of that automatic building system product. Why? Because you have developed the concept, and client will be the only customer for this application, and you will be the only customer. So the IT company can't sell this product to any other clients. Okay. Why? Because you will be the owner of the product, and they can't take any code. Okay. They can't take any code from your application, and deployment will be done at the client's place. Okay. Deployment is nothing but transferring the code for the first time from the development server to the production server. It means the entire code, whatever the IT company has developed, it is going to deploy the entire code into your server. Once, if IT company is going to deploy the entire code into your server, then it is your wish to take the technical support or maintenance support from the same company or any other company. Suppose if you are engaging Infosys to develop this application. Now Infosys has harassed you in many ways. They said that they are going to develop the project in 6 months, but they have taken 12 months. Okay. They said that they are going to develop some more features, but that some features are not available. Now you don't want to give the maintenance contract to Infosys. You want, if then you can give to any other company. You can go for TCS, or you can go for Wipro, or you can go for any other company. Okay. So this is the difference between product based company and IT based company. Okay. So here I think you have understood what is the difference between installation and deployment. Installation is nothing but we are going to install the product. So we are not going to transfer the code, or we are not going to transfer the entire program to the client server. But deployment is we are going to transfer the entire code, whatever we have developed, we are going to transfer the entire code to the client server. That means transferring the code for the first time from the development server to the production server. Okay. So now you understand the difference between product based company and application based company.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. No need to hesitate. Now, what is the role of a BA in product based company and in application based company? Okay, so in product based company, the responsibilities of a BA are limited to the product. It means he has to have the complete knowledge on the entire product, on the entire business process. But in application based company, the role of a BA is limited to only that application. For example, in product based company, let us say that there are three clients, that is HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Standard Chartered Bank. Now, a business analyst should know what are the features that are available for HDFC Bank and for ICICI Bank and for Standard Chartered Bank. If you take the application based company, here the business analyst should know only the features that are applicable for your automatic billing system. Okay, he is not going to bother about your complete business. That means he is not going to bother about what kind of business, how you are running business, whether you are running on a credit or whether you are running on a cash. So these all are not related to him. Okay, and in some other instance, like in product based company, the business analyst should have the knowledge of other products also.